In this video I would like to show you how I make a knit to purl to ribbing. Here you can see the 2 knit stitches forming a column and the 2 purl stitches that almost disappear when I do not stretch it. And to make a knit to purl to ribbing, you need to cast on a number of stitches that can be divided by 4. And this is because the pattern consists of 4 stitches, the 2 knit stitches and the 2 purl stitches, and after that you just repeat. And if you do not have a number of stitches that can be divided by 4, you will end up here in the transition between the beginning and the end of the round. You will get too many or too few purl stitches or knit stitches. And what I have done is that I cast on my number of stitches, and in the first round knit and knit, that's the 2 knit stitches, and now I purl 2, 1, 2, and I knit 1, 2, and purl 1, 2. And I make sure when I pick up the stitches that I pick them up so that they open up and do not twist like this. And this goes for both the knit stitches and the purl stitches. They should open up like this and not twist like this. And that's it. And when the first round is finished, I begin from the beginning of the round again, and I knit over knit stitches and purl over purl stitches, so that I just keep making the same stitch. Here I have a knit stitch, I knit it. Here I have a purl stitch, I purl it. I continue like this, round and round, until my ribbing has the length that I am looking for. The result is very stretchy, and you will need to cast on loosely or use a cast on method that is stretchy. And here at the end of the video you'll find a link to how I cast on to make this stretchy. Thank you for watching.